You remember summer days just after summer rain, when all the air was damp and warm in the green of country lanes, and the breeze would touch your hair, kiss your face and make you care about your world, your summer world. And we would count.
She's looking good now. Hush, baby, 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 baby. No, 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 don't you cry.
Afterglow in a distant row. The door is open and the lights are cold. The children come in here and they dare the ghost. Like a fire burning in a stone. Light in the theater sky, phantom cigarette and a silent cry. The door swings open and it's cold outside. Run and hide, run and hide. They can still see you singing on the corner, singing songs that never fade away, fade into the kids that come along. Long like an angel on a balcony.
I'm not like them, back in pretend. The sun is